Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we will take a quick look at Ajelix, a powerful platform for business intelligence and data analysis. Ajelix offers over 17 AI-powered tools designed to streamline data processing in spreadsheets. You can create Excel formulas, generate reports, and even build AI dashboards, all without needing coding skills. The platform is highly user-friendly and is perfect for both individuals and businesses. Ajelix's pricing is available via a freemium model. You can start for free with access to a range of features. If you need more advanced tools, there are paid options that unlock full functionality. Ajelix's tools cater to teams working with Excel, Google Sheets, and other data sources. It's designed to save time and reduce manual work by automating tasks like data preparation, creating charts, and generating SQL queries. The AI also helps with formula creation, making complex tasks much easier. With over 250,000 users, including small business owners, non-technical teams, and corporate users, Ajelix has proven to be a valuable tool. If you're ready to try it out, you can start with a free plan. No credit card is required, and it's easy to upload your data and start creating dashboards. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more reviews and updates.